Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about how to delete a repository on your GitHub account. So for any reason, if you want to delete a repository, just go to the repository that you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete this repository, and then click on the settings option. Then scroll down to the last portion of the page. Here comes the danger zone, and in these there is a last option, delete this repository. So you have to click it, and I want to delete this repository. Click this, then read all of this, and after reading it thoroughly you have to click I have read and understand these effects. And finally, to really confirm, you must type address of your repository. So just copy it and paste it, and then delete this repository. Voila, your repository has been successfully deleted. This message can be read here: your repository was successfully deleted. So guys, this is the method with which you can delete an unwanted repository from your GitHub account and keep your GitHub account clean. Thank you.